Hello, my name is Anam Bueno. Today, I'm here to talk to you all about space. All of you each have your own opinions about it, but right now, the only opinion that matters is mine. Space is everything and nothing at the same time. It may be filled with things like planets, stars, and comets, but it's also filled with large amounts of nothing. Space is one of those things where it's always so cool to think of and look at, but at the same time, it's also so terrifying to think of. Because, I don't know, maybe the sun will explode and we'll all perish, or a meteor could hit Earth again, causing the extinction of humans. Hello, it's me again, only you're not just listening to my voice, but also looking at drawn visuals by me. Now I'll be hitting you with some facts about space that you may or may not know about. Did you know Earth didn't always have a moon? In fact, it's actually just a big chunk of the Earth. Earth was hit by a big object, probably our planet or a meteor, and broke a chunk off of Earth, which is now the moon. A NASA spacesuit costs $12 million. Yeah, I know, I thought it was cheap too. I could buy like none. But seriously, this one suit used to breathe and protect you from space costs more than 4 times what a person would spend in their lifetime. And we're back again. I want to ask you something. Do you think that there is other life than us in space or even the universe? Personally, I think there is a bunch of evidence pointing out that there was some sort of life on these planets that we discovered. The real question I think we should be asking ourselves though is what would they even look like? Would they look similar to us? Will they look like what we portrayed them to be? Will they help us even, or will they destroy us? Who knows? I guess we won't find out until the day we actually come in contact with these things. Oh, good to see you again. Don't mind this picture. Anyways, time for more space facts, and there's nothing you can do about it. Except closing the video, pausing the video, or muting the audio. Please don't. Although Pluto is no longer a planet anymore and smaller than Earth's moon, it still has 5 moons revolving around it. When I learned this, the first thing I thought was, how does a planet that's not even counted as a planet anymore have more moons than half of our solar system? You see, this doesn't make sense to me at all. I would think that Pluto would even have enough of a gravitational pull to even have 1 moon, but 5 is just insanity. Mars has 4 different seasons, just like Earth. The difference being is that Mars' seasons last 2 times longer than Earth's. This one is surprisingly tame out of all the facts that I've already told you. The main reason why I wanted to tell you this was the fact that one day we might actually be living on Mars. In my opinion, I would hate to live on Mars. I already don't like summer and spring, so dealing with a summer and spring that's twice as long sounds like an absolute nightmare to me. And we are back to the space videos. I know, you're probably very sick of this, but I promise you this is the last time you'll be looking at these videos. I kinda just want to talk about one more thing. In the future, if we do manage to live on other planets such as Mars, what kind of buildings would there be and what would they look like? Everything would probably be closed off because, we can't breathe in space. Would transportation look the same? Maybe we won't even be living in houses, but like underground bunkers. I guess this is just another answer for the future. Would you look at that? We're at the end! It's kind of crazy how in about a century we've been able to discover so much about space. I mean, we know more about space than we do our own ocean. Scientists are still discovering things today as we discovered 3,392 different planetary systems and 7,954 planets, with 4,575 of them being confirmed as one. I hope you all enjoyed me rambling on about space for almost 5 minutes. Take care!